Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Shopify app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on this sign, it's going to show for us a list like this. Click here on settings. So then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down here and you click here on custom data. Just click on it and come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on variants here, click on it. So then come to this list and here add new fields to variants, and you click here on add definition. When you click on it here, add your name here, add name and name space here and indicate in description, and here if you want to select type, and here options if you want to turn off or turn on accesses here, then here you click on save. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.